Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming around and watching. And if you're a new subscriber, there are a lot of things you can get from this channel. You can check out all the videos, the various playlists. Right, just go to my YouTube channel, just check Ni Amuda, right here. Right, just go over to the playlist and you see a lot of playlists that you can actually learn from. All right, okay, without further ado, let's go right into the video. We're going to be replicating this design right here, so let's go. All right, so to save our time, I'm going to be using this guy here, photos, so that I can copy the text directly from this place. All right, so this is it. Okay, so let's go back. So we're going to try first to get a background that would befit this design. So there are several backgrounds that I have here. I want to look at for one that would work. So I am looking at using this, right? Now don't worry about the write-up that you have there. We're going to work on it. So I'm fixing this here like this. All right, so check the text. All right, there's a problem. The problem is that we have not gotten the exact size. So let's do this to get it. Click here, then import this guy. All right, then you see that now, so we can drag like this. All right, then we can bring this here. So we have three images. 1, 2, 3. All right, 3 images. So let's bring the images. One. Which of them? Any of them actually first. We can bring this one with the crown. Okay. One. We can bring the other one here. We could bring this here. Okay, and then we'll bring the last one that will be facing the front, which is this. Okay. All right, this is going to be bigger. All right, so let's try to adjust the face. All right, okay, so look at the original design. You'll find out that this picture is here, right, just there like that, and then 2 other images are just around it. So I'm going to lock this picture here. I'm going to lock it. Then I'm going to adjust these ones here. Okay, so I'm just trying to make sure that the face they are the same. Then okay. All right, then you want to do some blending around this design. So I'm bringing this other background. Okay, I'm going to make it darker. I don't think there's any need for it, so I can work with this one. So what we're going to do is this. All right, so I'm going to bring in this guy here. I'm going to bring in a lens flare. Okay, I brought in this guy, so I'll put it there like this. Right, then I'll copy this and I'll also put it here like this. Right, I'll also copy it and put it here, and we'll do this to read. All right, then I will copy it again and bring it here. This time around I'm going to blend the background, so the color is going to change to maybe this color here. Right, then I'll copy it, I'll put it there also. Try to do it like this. Right, just like that. Alright, so it's covering that part of this. Then this one, now we're going to copy here and then put here. So this one can be black. Right, just put it there and cover that place. Right, like that. Then we can lock everything. So let's bring in this guy also for this guy here. Okay, so we just try to do this, try to touch it here like this, still increase it. Right, okay, and copy it and bring it here also. Alright, we can just send it to the back like this, and then we'll send this to the back. Then we'll send the overall background to the back. Alright, so we can check the most beautiful student in Nigeria. So let's go. Most beautiful. Alright, yeah. Okay, so we use this font. Okay, color gradients. Alright, let's go with this first. Alright, let's zoom this in like this, then we can pick this, then this, we're going to pick the other color here. Alright, so we'll adjust it like this. I think there's a problem. Let's do it like this. Let's see. Not that. Alright, perfect. So most beautiful students, we just use a long font here, a stretch font, students. So we can go and use what's it called, a vertical. Alright, we can use a vertical. Student, so just stretch it like this. 8 minutes is gone. Stretch it like that, and we'll put this here. Let's take this to the top, bring this here. Right, then we'll come here in Nigeria. Okay, we can stretch this out. Alright, so we can add an outline to it. Outline color will be this, just small. Alright, same here. Right, so the next information that we have here is most beautiful student in Nigeria, blah blah blah. Then registration, an online beauty pageant for all female students in Nigeria. Come here. An online beauty pageant for all female students in Nigeria. So I'm just going to maintain this font. Right, so I still need to take this to the top like this and move this here. I'll reduce this and then I'll stretch it out. Right, I'll reduce it small and centralize it. Right, so if you notice now, this information that is here is remaining 600,000 naira worth of prize to be won, then blah 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 blah. So I'm just going to create the shape. Right there. Let's check again. Right, so I'm going to align it like this. I'll reduce this, I'll add maybe 2, and then the color. Alright, so I'm going to copy this and I'll do it here again. Right, so we can bring in the other information that are there now. So I'll come over here, I'll click on lens and I'll copy those information that is there, like from here to here. Copy. Okay, we'll go over here and we'll paste it. Right, paste. So paste, okay, paste, and we'll paste. Reduce it and fix it here. Okay, there's something here. Okay, so fix everything here like this. Still reduce it and put it there. Alright, notice that it is long, so let's try and use a long font for it. So we can get this, right? Okay, so we'll bring this guy here. Alright, 600,000. Okay, so we can change the color now to white. Alright, 600,000. Then we have worth of prizes to be won, which include, so we just copy this guy here and put it there. Worth of prizes to be won, which includes, then you drag this and change the color to yellow. Alright, okay, so the next information is here. Registration is free, blah blah blah, packaged by this. So let's go. Registration is free, so we'll copy this and we'll put it there. Registration is then free. Right, so we'll just drag it like this. Let's increase this. 14 minutes is gone already, so let's go here, increase. Okay, white. Right, so let's use this to get the word free. Right, I think it's red. Okay, yellow. So I can even use this for it, and then I'll remove outline. right? Then check here, you see to register, blah 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 blah. So let's just go over here, copy this, copy it, and paste it right here. Copy this and paste this right here. Alright, every information that's about registration should be here. Alright, so we've gotten to this point, and you can see how it is now. So we have second edition written over here, second edition. So we'll come over here. This it's with a red, so change the color to red. There's another one here. There's another one here at this end. Alright, so we'll bring this to the front. Okay, then we'll just write the second edition there. Okay, so I'm copying one of these, right, and reduce it here. Alright, brightness increased. I think that one is not necessary. So I'm still moving this top to the top, moving this to the top. Alright, then I'm moving this to the top. Alright, so the information there is second edition. Oh, what's that? Yeah, second edition. So we just use this guy. Second edition. Alright, just very small there, so change the font to this or something like that. So just zoom this so we're able to fix it properly there. I think a simple font there would be perfect. Alright, so that is it. Then we can go ahead and do some other editing, but this is just how it is. Then we're good to go. My name is Nia Muda. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. It's okay.